All right, cracking open the 2019 Hot Wheels Q case on
Hot Wheels Collector's Toy.
All right, so if you like watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for new notifications of videos that we do ASAP. So as soon as it comes out, you'll get it. All right, so I want to point out one thing. That, now, if we're correct, right, that's not on a lot of cases, right?
Yeah, it's not.
So we're hoping it's a hot box full of supers.
Yeah.
Maybe one of the workers will load them up, supposed to throw them in a dumpster thing, and then come back tonight.
We're hoping.
Yeah, but we don't know what that is, so
let's try.
We just figured we point that out. It could be like
could be a Christmas miracle.
Yeah.
Because it's Christmas today.
Exactly.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yes, Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm sure it's snowing where all you guys are at in the mainland. Over here,
well,
we got rain.
Here. Just not on this island.
Yeah. Big island, we got snow.
Yeah, so what are we looking at here? Let's start.
Okay.
First three. This one. Okay, let's go.
Ooh,
Morris Money.
The red one. I don't have that red one.
All right, so we'll take that one out.
Wow. Do you have one already?
Yeah. Remember I opened it.
Wow.
And then the Chevy Nova wagon.
Ooh. Wait, I think it spells Hot Wheels, right? The letters on the top.
They spell something, but I forgot what they are. Like the 50th anniversary year, all the art cars had Hot Wheels 50th anniversary or something, or something like that.
We're not gonna say nothing about the Mini because we gave it a lot of gas the last time.
Yeah.
So it gets a pass today.
Lamborghini Revington. Yeah, Revington.
Revington.
Tesla Model 3.
And I like how they make it
Godzilla.
white, green, and red.
Oh.
Just like the flag.
The flag don't have green.
No more green.
It has blue. Red, white, and blue. Oh, what flag are you talking about?
The Italiano.
Oh, look.
Another
Huracan. I don't think we saw that one before.
No, we're going to have to look it down closer.
And the T-Rex Royer.
And then Huracan is that really super boring gray, bro.
It is, but you know, it's
but it works. It works.
Expect on an exotic.
Yeah, it works.
And then the fast gassing.
Okay,
we're gonna put that one on the side. Let's take a closer look at that. All right, next three: Custom Mustang and the Skull Shaker.
Skull Shaker. Like, isn't that like SIDS? No, shaking babies.
Sudden infant death.
Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's purple too.
And the shiny one down.
Oh, hell yeah, purple.
I think we opened that one.
Did we?
I think I did.
Man, I'm chroming these rims, dude.
Yeah, so we're passing those and moving on. DR3, Mazda RX-7, and the Alpine A110.
I'm curious, what the hell is the Alpine A110?
Did we not open that?
No, we didn't. It's still in the pile over there.
Oh, the pile we didn't finish.
Yeah.
And we moved on to the next case already. Right? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, that's not. That's not. Aston Martin.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we got that one.
Sorry, Mr. Martin.
Ooh, there you go.
Ooh.
Another Mustang.
Another Mustang.
And wagon gasser.
Are you going to keep that other Mustang?
Oh, no.
Oh, yes. Now I can open one.
Look who's become the bigger Mustang collector now. Oh, there it is.
Yup.
The white quick bite.
Hopefully there's two.
Oh, you know what? We've got a video queued up that we're going to add. Now that we have the white one, we can
just
add that
now
one
we can do that one.
And then we have the
Bolesi.
Porsche Panamera.
That's the bread, huh?
Panera. Oh, yay. Okay, here we go. 65 Mustang Fastback.
Ooh, that is nice.
I've seen this before.
I'll take one of those.
I think I've seen the...
They have a white version of that.
Yeah, the white version.
Yeah, the white version.
Try to look at those. Take whatever one you want. Okay, next three. Oh, this is a new one. The drift car.
Another McLaren, yes.
Yeah. Don't we know somebody who has one of these?
We do,
Challengers?
right?
You think?
Oh yeah.
She'll appreciate that one.
Yeah, she would.
Let's look. Oh my goodness! Here we go. Look at that, number 2.
Oh,
Chevy Silverado.
that is nice, and that Porsche.
And then the Porsche. That would have been the Super in this case.
That Porsche is nice. Wrong rims, but that beautiful purple, man. That's awesome.
We're gonna take a look at that. At these two.
Yes, that Chevy is nice. I like the graphics. I'm just oogling it off screen.
Alright. Having difficulty there.
Okay.
Okay, what do we got? The first 3.
Oh, I see a Mazda.
Oh, I see Batmobile. Yes, it is.
Oh, Batmobile.
Oh, Super Snake. Mustang Super Snake and Ford Ranger Raptor. There you go.
Well, they made a Ford. The Ford Ranger just came out, and they made a Raptor out of that one too. Damn.
Thank goodness. Oh, there's Exotique. And the Olds 44230. It's like the second one in this case.
Yeah, Exotic can stay right where it's at.
Alright, look at that. Focus looks nice.
Yeah, the other one came out was way nicer. The green one, that
I think I might
lime green one.
I think I might open that one.
Oh, it's a cool casting.
Put that on the side. The DR is kind of cool, but I don't want to get into a new model. Oh look, kit cart. And then Hot Wheels Pursuit. Yay.
See how we linger on certain cars really a long time.
Oh, look at that mod rod.
Oh,
that is kind of.
That's
cool.
pretty cool, bro.
Yeah, I think we're gonna open that. You know what? Matchbox came out with something similar. Let's do a comparison. No, pass.
Oh, pass.
Oh, is he rotted out? Are you rotted out? Okay, here we go. Another Alpine.
Alpine, and what is that one?
El Viento. Oh, Tune Up. This is new. What is that? Tune Up is.
Look at the head of somebody.
Yeah. It's a
is it Kylo Ren? Nah. That's a nice gold van.
It is.
Why did they make the rims gold though?
And
I mean, not the rims, but the tire, bro.
Yeah. Morris Mini. The Roger Dodger's in that too, but.
Oh, is that a Roger Dodger? Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that last one. That one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, next 3. Bugzilla, Track Ripper. The original one was the best, I think.
Is that the black and green and pink one or whatever?
Gray? I don't know. Looked like a tiger then. Ooh, High Beam and another kick cart.
At some point in time, we'll linger on the. Okay, I never got that guac.
Oh, well, you got the guac now. And Dodge Charger and Jaguar XJ220.
I'll take that.
The XJ or Charger? Oh wow. Okay, cool. But you gotta open them.
Blackmail.
Okay, so a Jaguar XE SV Project 8. So
wow, that's
this
pretty
is
nice.
the mainline release. Try hand me over that other one.
Which one?
The blue one, right on the bottom.
This one.
In the stack.
Oh.
It's on the bottom. The bottom. I believe just the bottom. Just one.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I believe this one is the GameStop exclusive.
The blue one.
Yeah.
That is nice. That blue is really
so
immaculate.
I think this was B case. Yeah, so this gotta be the GameStop case we opened that we never finished.
Yeah.
You can put that one back there. I am gonna open one of these.
I feel like Vanna White.
And last, in this case, but not the least, we've seen the Range Rover and the Nomad and the Model 3 before. So
I think that Nomad.
If you're Nomad, you're good.
You no matter.
Okay, so that's the case. Let's take a break.
Okay, we're gonna take a break. All right, we didn't want to waste your time watching us repack the thing, so we're done repacking it. As you can see, here's the other box.
Yeah, so we do have a treat. We have a second one.
We wouldn't do that to you guys and just open up the same box.
Yeah.
That would be deep.
So we wanted to make it clear that we do have a second box. I'm going to take the second one away. Because...
And away we go.
My subscription brought 2 cases that were identical. So I didn't want to do 2 cute case videos. We just do one long one.
So there's some different. I see a Porsche. I can get a Porsche now.
Okay, so let's start with the first 3. Oh,
yeah. Ooh, treasure hunt Camaro.
That's the one I was hiding from you. Okay, let's put this on the side. I think we have the Porsche already on the side.
Yeah.
Okay, so you take that one.
Oh, the Super on this one looks really nice, man.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping I would get it, but okay, here we go.
The Batmobile.
Yep. So nothing different from the previous case so far.
More Mustang. A truck.
There's a truck.
I'll take the truck.
And 2 more Mustangs. I love Mustangs, not that much.
Ow!
And the Skull Shaker.
You catch?
I wonder if they make a headbanger one. Well, I guess the Skull Shaker could be considered.
Well, yeah.
Oh, here's something different. Mazda.
What is that? Is that a Miata?
Yeah.
That's one of them there Mazda Miatas.
Let's put that on the side.
That's from a movie.
That also is in the GameStop one that I opened. Okay. We saw this one too.
You notice when it comes to stuff like that, we didn't even say nothing, bro.
Yeah.
People are like, wait, what is that? Junk?
Oh, yeah, that looks nice.
Ooh.
Did we open that?
No, I don't think we did.
Yeah, this Mercury is cool. Let's get that on the
I
side.
don't remember us doing that. Well, someone will remind us if we did.
Yeah.
That's pretty junk if we can't remember.
Throw it in the comments if we've opened it before.
Yeah.
These
the exotics.
So that's an Aston Martin, you know, that bottom one.
I know it's. You know what they're making now? Like the whole roof, everything is all glass now.
Yeah. I mean, that works great if you're in a climate that you're not going to burn your forehead all the time.
Exactly.
You know, you cannot have lack of hair on top because you'd be peeling your skin.
There's another Lambo. I'll take the Lambo.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, next. That's the first 36. Let's look at the second now. Do you have any goodies hidden in there? Yes, we do.
Let's hope.
I see some. It's not a chase piece, but hey, now this looks identical to the bottom half on the last case. I saw the Silverado already. Okay, I don't remember having 2, but I remember seeing that in the last case.
The Range Rover.
Yeah. Maybe this one here. Okay. Oh yeah, these look familiar.
What is the top one?
This one, the Drifter.
Oh, Drifter. They're starting to use our pigeon now, and Drifter.
Yeah. Did you? Oh, there's another.
Guac.
Guac. Did I open one of those?
I don't know. I don't think you did. Did you?
No,
I can't remember.
So. Should I grab the one that you have? There's a lot of variations in the paint. If you look at that, sometimes the roof is all painted and sometimes it's not.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I think it's just circumstances how the samples are applied. Ooh, 2 Morris Minis and an
Morris
El
Minis.
Viento. I think I'm going to open that guac. Let me put that back.
Yeah, open the guac. I don't think you did. Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah, I get a Matsumoto's shave ice. Awesome.
And 2 more Mustangs.
Nice. Cool. I'll take them. These are cool.
Those are cool when you strip the paint off. But I would not strip that paint.
No, not this one. This one, you just got to change out the rims. I'm going to chrome the rims.
Okay, so I'm not going...
Okay.
Spending too long on these.
Yeah. Because, you know, people are like, next one, move.
Yeah. Oh, there's another Super Stink.
Yeah.
I think I
It's
might
like
want
he's saying super stink.
Oh, the Aura 3s.
Okay. Almost the same stuff so far.
Yeah. I mean, it's the same case, so
Yeah.
it's not surprising. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
It's almost the same packing assortment.
I was just gonna say, yeah, it's supposed to be a little different.
So that's gonna be 2 Q cases. So we are going to stand by because we're going to open this in the next video. We're gonna open this in the next video, and we're gonna open these. Yeah, come back. No, I might not. I might change my mind on that one.
Treasure hunt.
Yeah.
I see you guys switch out the rims and it looks nice.
Oh yeah, just switching the rims out on that to. I think I have a set that I can switch them to, right?
Because those are ugly rims, bro.
Because I have these red.
Yeah, the red line
and
ones.
I have 2, the front and the rear, so I might be able to do that.
Nice, damn, that'll be like pretty metal.
Okay, we're gonna open that Silverado.
That's gonna be sweet.
And then
that Slam Mustang. That Mustang is cool because it's dropped.
Yeah, and I like that fastback.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that the blue one, the Super I opened?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go into that Matsumoto, and then the Alpine A10 and the Huracan. So stand by.
All right, so don't forget, like and share the video with everybody on this island, your island, and the other island. What?
Before we go, we were gonna give away.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So we're gonna pick 3 out of here, and since I repacked the other case, I didn't think about this, but I was supposed to put some on the side. So anything that we repacked that I didn't show that we were gonna open, is gonna be up for grabs. So in the comments, pick your 3, and we'll do a random picker, and from the comments we'll pick whoever.
There's a lot of picks in there. So wait, so what you want them to do is in the comment say the 3 castings they want.
Yep.
And then we'll randomly pick them out.
We'll randomly pick it out.
Okay.
And it'll be limited 1 comment per person, and I think the random picker knows that if there's more than 1, it only picks 1.
Ah, gotcha. Yeah. Okay, so you guys know what to do, right? Hit us up with the comment. Let us know what you want. And whatever that random picker does, if you get the casting you got, cool. It's our way of saying Merry Christmas to you guys. And enjoy the holiday season. And, of course, New Year's is coming around the corner. So we got more vids on that. So we'll see what we'll be doing for New Year's. Actually, we got a surprise for everybody, but I can't say nothing right now. So, but we got that coming up. So don't forget to like and share the videos with everybody on the planet and other worlds too. We are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
New viewers, don't forget, mucho mahalos for checking us out and taking the time to deal with us. Hey. But don't forget to check the end screens where you see links to our previous video and a video YouTube thinks you'll like and one we think you should watch. There's a big difference, all right? So you got homework to do. Go do what you got to do, and we'll be back with more cool stuff, cool vids next time.